Piranha is a tool that automatically deletes code related to stale feature flags and helps improve developer productivity. Let's try to understand what feature flags are and how they introduce technical debt. In software development, various features are implemented as part of a monolithic source and guarded under feature flags. For mobile apps, the compiled binary is shipped to app stores. Users of the application download and install the same binary. When they use the application, details pertaining to the enabled features are sent to the app instance, which will enable a specific subset of features to the user. Now, different users will have different features enabled, even though they have downloaded the same binary. There are many benefits of feature flags: customized user experience, gradual rollout of features so that feedback from the initial stages can be used to refine the features, quick rollback in the presence of failures, and to perform A/B testing to compare between features. To give the magnitude of usage of flags, there are more than 6,000 flags used across various apps at Uber. To use the flags in the app, the developer needs to first define the flag, then use the flag as part of flag APIs and implement the corresponding feature. Then, unit testing is done to test different behaviors. When the purpose of the flag is accomplished, it becomes stale. For example, when a flag is rolled out globally, the flag becomes stale as only one behavior is exhibited for all users. Not removing the code related to stale flags can introduce technical debt for the engineering organization. Consider the abstraction of some code where the branching is due to feature flags. When a flag becomes stale, this branch can be removed from the code. Not removing that flag and the related code has many drawbacks. It introduces unnecessary code paths, increases the binary size due to dead code, increases compilation and test times, increases the overall network payload, and overall it makes coding much more complex for the developer. Eliminating the branch and the code under it can avoid all the drawbacks. But the elephant in the room that no one talks about is the manual effort involved in addressing this debt. Uber has addressed this problem by building a tool named Piranha to automatically delete code related to stale flags. Piranha can be configured to handle specific flag APIs. It takes as input the source, the stale flag info, for example the flag name and the treatment behavior, and analyzes the code using this information to generate a modified source. Under the hood, Piranha analyzes abstract syntax trees and rewrites the code based on the input. Further, it attempts to delete other unreachable code due to this deletion. An example diff that was generated by Piranha is shown here. It demonstrates deletion of a number of branches and deletion of many lines across the code base. This diff was landed as is by the author of the flag without any other changes. The effectiveness of Piranha has been such that it is now used as part of an automated code deletion pipeline at Uber. The flag tracker identifies the set of possible stale flags and periodically inputs this information to Piranha. Piranha takes this and the source code as input to generate cleanup diffs that are assigned to the author of the flag for review. The reviewer can approve the diff and land the changes as is. In some cases, they may perform further changes and then land the diff. If the flag is not yet stale, the diff can be abandoned and the flag is snoozed in the flag tracker for a later date when the flag will become stale. At Uber, we have applied Piranha to clean up stale flags across multiple mobile apps for the Android and iOS platforms. To summarize, Piranha can perform code refactorings for applications implemented in Java, Swift, and Objective-C. It can be configured to use custom flag APIs. Piranha's input is the source code, flag name, and the behavior that needs to be preserved. It can be easily integrated into automated code refactoring pipelines. The general architecture is extensible to perform other kinds of refactorings for the supported languages. There are many benefits of using Piranha. It helps decrease the number of control flow paths and binary size, as well as build and test times. It also increases the ease of coding and the overall application reliability. Since many of these positives can benefit other software development organizations that use feature flags extensively, we have decided to open source Piranha. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing about your experiences using Piranha.